Hi, I'm here from Reinforced Cabinets, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about our business. We are here for all your renovations and carpentry needs. As a family business, we specialize in all of carpentry for both your home and commercial needs. We have been doing so for more than 25 years. We work with licensed contractors that handle all your millwork, plumbing, and electrical work. As a fully licensed and insured business, we can guarantee you an affordable price for the best work you've ever seen. I am here to tell you a little bit about our business. We are one that specializes in renovations and carpentry. With enough experience, our new designs and installation concepts evolve to meet each of our customers' unique needs. Let Reinforced professionals install it for you. We specialize in custom-made kitchens, beauty salons, barbershops, custom-made cabinets, and store fixtures. We can work with you to ensure that you are making the renovations and the foundational changes to your home or business that are best for you. When it comes to your residential property, we can do it all, from tiling, hardwood flooring, kitchen refacing, bathroom renovations. We can do it all. Call us today for an immediate phone consultation. Call us at 416-302-7257 or 647-571-7257. We are your one-stop shop away from the home or business of your dreams. Call us today for an immediate phone consultation. Your family is our family, and your satisfaction is our guarantee. Call us today at 416-302-7257 or 647-571-7257. Remember, Reinforced Cabinets is family.